how to change your payment method in Progressive Insurance. Starting off, launch your preferred browser in your device and search for Progressive Insurance Login and give it a search. You have to select on the first option, that is login and manage your policy from Progressive. Now you'll be redirected to the official website of your Progressive Insurance. To log in into your account, you need to select the Login button. It will redirect you to your login portal. To log in into your account, all you need to add is your user ID and your password. Select the option of Save User ID if you are using your personal device, then tap on the Login option. If you do not know your credentials, select Need Help Logging In and follow the prompt or the article. If you are new, just tap on Register. Once you have successfully logged in into your Progressive Insurance account, in your left-hand side, you will see a button called Account. Tap on it. From My Account under Payment, you will see the option of Manage Payment Method. Select the option, to which you need to select Add Credit Card or Add Bank Account. You need to add your card details or add your details of your bank account. And that is how you'll be able to change the payment method in Progressive Insurance. That is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.